Good day, everyone, and welcome to FXDD live trading. My name is Nenad, and today we're going to see live trading. Although markets are slow, we will try to find some opportunities. Before I start, have in mind that Forex trading carries a high level of risk that is not true for all investors. So please educate yourselves on the risks associated with Forex market before you start trading live. Everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. With having said this, sign up for more live educational and trading webinars here with the FXDD. And now it's time for real charts. Let's see what we are having here in market. As again, a very slow market, and I'm running currently a couple of trades. Personally, I'm long on the GBP Swissy. Still running it from yesterday. Also, I have a long on the GBPN and a small long also on the Australian dollar CAD. But markets, as I say, are pretty much slow. So the only thing what I can see is some fundamental push from the markets that can actually bring some volatility in these slow market conditions. Here, for example, the GBP Swissy, very, very, very rangy, but I see a potential for again up move if the price continues and closes above 28. Also, the GBPN should go up if the price closes above 140.35, and the Australian dollar CAD that is in a drawdown. But if 90.30 stays strong, we should see again up move. Other than this, really it's been very slow. Euro dollar still in the zone where it could push to the upside, and maybe a next spot to sell is a retest of 10.90 to 11.05. We need to see this. So only if the price makes a rejection towards this line, we might actually see a euro dollar going down. Then we have the dollar yen. Trump is expected to speak very soon, and well, in the dollar yen, I also see that that maybe markets are going to push a little bit higher. Although I guess that dollar yen is very susceptible to today's Trump speech, and it should react later. At this point, volatility is created usually in equities during Asian markets, and there is no big move now on in London or during a New York session. So markets are a bit subdued in their movement. However, I also see a potential for equities, especially SPX 500, S&P. I was implying many times during last couple of weeks that 15-minute trade time frame is the best for the SPX. And again, I haven't seen these my entries, but I was very clear that I want to go long. And you can see that the last entry was at 5:30 platform time. It was 4:30 my time. So basically, I was sleeping back then. But all of Asian traders can expect a nice 15-minute trading from major equities, DAX, Nikkei, and S&P 500. DAX, similar behavior because equities are correlated. Obviously, there is some big player buying during Asian session, and all these moves, as you can see on 15-minute time frame, happen later. Here, this is the last move on the DAX. It was in the afternoon, but it's normal because it's German equity. But later moves, guys, happen during a Nikkei session. Here, for example, Nikkei, watch this again. Very big move from 5 o'clock platform time, a big spike to the upside. This is huge, and obviously there is a big correlation between all those major equities. So markets in Forex are slow, equities are faster. This is stocks and equities that are moving now the markets, and Forex obviously is waiting for some catalyst that might bring the price to the upside. So regarding this, my trading ideas for today, as I explained, I only see a possible spike now on GBP Swissy, GBPN, maybe the Australian dollar CAD. GBP dollar could also go up because obviously these are T89 patterns coming from straight from support. So there could be some moves here, and if it happens, I will place a long trade right now. These are T89s, and I'm going with a small long trade here, really not be risking much. Okay, so I opened a long trade. Stop loss for this should be 27.95 including spread, so 27 no, yeah, 27.95, and just include the spread on FXDD. It's very low, so 27.93 should be on FXDD. So, okay, I'm buying the GBP dollar. Okay, GBP dollar, and I will write down this trade now. Entry is 1 point, so the zone is 34 to 44. Stop loss is 97, 95, include the spread, and the target I would like to see, of course, 29.50. So this is basically my entry for the GBP dollar. Now it looks like I'm triple exposed to GBP crosses, but I still see some strength in this GBP. Also, guys, if you followed my webinars and how I teach people, this is high volatility candle. And if we put Fibonacci now from the bottom to the top of this move, okay, now we need to fix this fib. Okay, so we will go with, okay, I like to see this much prominent. So we will add 0.786. So it's 78.6. And we will add 0.886. That translates to 88.6 retracement. So here we go. When we add this, we can clearly see that the price is rejecting 78.6. This is T89 rejection from weekly H3, and my trade is clear. Okay, so stop loss for this is 27.93 on FXDD platform, and I guess that the target 29.50 could also be reached. But as I say, volatility is needed. I just hope that there won't be some unexpected spike to the downside and then the price turns up. So because I prefer to see a clear movement without any sudden surprises. So let's see. Again, this is positioning in the market, expecting some volatile moves. But as I say, markets are very, very slow. We will see, of course. GBP basket is still bullish. So we have trends on higher time frames. This was a pullback. This is a re-entry dot, then another dot, and exactly here, high volatility candle. Well, close to 61.8, and also T89 spike here. This diamond is T89. This is not T89, but the shadow needs to be at least twice as long as the black body for a bullish candle. So this is bullish indeed. So let's see. Let's wait. So GBP dollar long, GBP Swissy long, GBPN long, the Australian dollar CAD long. All these positions are currently running. Here you can follow my FX book account, also trading, also live with FXDD and myself. So you can follow my FX book account there if you don't have my FX book open, and well, you can follow me. So guys, this is it regarding myself and this trading webinar. I won't be trading anything else than this. So 4 trades: GBP dollar, GBP Swissy, GBP, the Australian dollar CAD. If you have anything to add, anything to ask, feel free to ask me. We are waiting for Mr. Trump's speech later during the day, and I guess that it could create at least some nice volatility in markets. And this is very, very rangy. It's been like 2 weeks of a range, very, very, very slow market conditions. So, guys, definitely be ready for any sudden spikes, because this looks like something can happen and might happen. So, if you have any question, guys, any question, feel free to ask me. If not, then we can call it a day. Let me quickly check the calendar and we'll tell you the right. Agri, hi Nenad, does yesterday's setup is relevant during the week? Agri, I don't know which setup. Tell me which one and I will tell you. I have many setups, so just tell me which one. So we have President Trump very soon, actually. Let me check the calendar. I am following your strategy this week. Yeah, if you are referring to my setups, yes, they are valid on well, yeah, until Wednesday, of course. But market definitely needs to go to test those zones before anything happens. Without volatility, it's very, very, very hard to, you need to position and be patient. But yes, until Wednesday. If you're referring to weekly recaps, then it's until tomorrow morning. So Trump will speak in an hour and 47 minutes exactly, 5 p.m. GMT. So be ready, maybe for some volatility that might happen during Trump's speech. So that's it. Again, guys, I'm long GBP dollar, GBP Swissy, GBPN, the Australian dollar CAD from my last session, but this is the trade that is in drawdown. This is in small profit. This one also in small profit, but I'm also waiting, guys, for the GBP dollar that I opened here. Yes, Agri GBP TP is 29.50, indeed. Moshkin is commenting euro is in downtrend. It is, but if it goes up, I might sell it. So it needs to go towards. I would like to see the zone 1080. Then I would actually go long. It's dropping, but for me, in order to join a short trade, I want to see it up, and then I will drop. I will press a sell. So first retracement up and then sell. Okay, guys. Of course, this account is traded by myself. You can follow it on my FX book. I started with 10,000, managed to get to 51. Now I'm in a small drawdown. I have 45, but actively I am almost 400% up on return on investment. You can check it on my FX book. My Camarilla MACD system. Okay, guys. Thank you. I don't see any further questions, so I assume everything is clear. Let's get ready. The last question, GBP Australian dollar. Okay, GBP Australian dollar. Yeah, still same opinion. It should go up because market is on the GBP is definitely up. I also think that the GBP here, the GBP Australian dollar also should go up. It broke this trend line here. Could be a retest or a direct spike. So GBP Australian dollar up. That's it, guys. Thank you for listening. Of course, I will be here with you soon. Don't forget to subscribe for more live education and live webinars. Okay, and we will see. But I expect this GBP basket to go up without any surprises. I hope that it won't drop and then go up. We will see. Thank you, guys. Talk to you soon. Cheers. And as always, trade safe.